Guys, what's up? It's been long I vlogged. Yeah, I know. I'm thinking of starting a new series like living in Abaca or a student. I don't really know the title yet, but yeah, we'll figure that out in the thumbnail of this video. So I am going to meet the tailor right now because I have a wedding to attend on Saturday. I got my material from her, but it needs a little bit of amendment. So I'm going to the tailor's place now and I'll get that all done, and then the rest of my day just moves the way it's supposed to move. Guys, I don't know which is worse, heartbreak or having to wait for someone. Okay, so I'm at Taylor's place now, but her store is locked. Yeah, anyway, I have to call and hopefully she picks my call. Okay, so I was just told to pass the clothes through the window like a thief. That's what I'm about to do. Okay, so just imagine they steal these clothes. My own done. In Delsu. Oh, just have mind before you come. When you think you're not going to school, but then your village people have different plans for you. Look at me. Ready, set. I'm going to school. I'll see you when I get to class. It's not actually class. It's class sharp, but CS. Skills acquisition stuff. So I'm learning hair and makeup. I already know how to do hair, but for the makeup aspect, nah. So let's go. I'm having makeup class today. I'll see you there. Say hi. Say hi, you're laughing fish. Like you not say hi. Say God is light so. Who can disturb? Say it again. Who can disturb? Say hi. I'm vlogging. Say hi.
Don't vlog me.
Now you know your face already, sir. Say hi. Your face already, sir. Don't hide. Don't be shaming yourself. Mom menu. Thank God I carry charger. Let me charge.
No.
They don't push it.
Are you not a vlogger?
Say hi, mom.
Don't
No go say hi. No go say hi way.
Mary Kay will make you cry.
Wala for all those have makeup. So what job better the face? Okay.
Oh, just rent down. Come on, Pemo, just down me today. Oh, say you don't marry. I will give you the ring.
I got one guy already married.
I have ring at home.
Not be traditional.
Now wedding.
We'll do the one straight, so shush.
I get the ring. We'll go.
I'm the makeup artist. I'm the one that did this makeup.
That's a big lie.
I'm the one that did this makeup. Hey, I did this makeup.
Shut up. You should do this.
Give me your face now. See me, my friend.
We're done. going home. Please, I did that makeup, sha, believe me. Support me. I did that makeup. Then they're fine. So I just got back home, and thankfully there's light. So I just need to do something. I have to stretch this hair for my clients in time because she needs it tomorrow. So I need to stretch it now that there's light.
Just that's what Babala will give you.
So hey guys, I realistically spent my whole day watching movies. And I think it's already past 6 and I just finished watching the movie. Actually, I'm not done. I have one episode to go and then finally I'm done with King of Boys. But yeah, I just had to give it a wrap, like give a wrap to this vlog because my battery is already going low and I'll need to charge my phone. So I'll see y'all next week when I post my next content right here on YouTube. So do not miss that out. Do not miss it for anything. More vlogs to come, obviously, and more fun, entertaining content. So I'll see y'all next week. I love you. Bye.